Hello students, in this video you will learn about Keylogger. Keyloggers, or keystroke loggers, are tools that records everything you type on a computer or mobile keyboard. These are used to quietly monitor your computer activity while you use your devices as normal. Keyloggers are used for legitimate purposes like feedback for software development, but can be misused by criminals to steal your data. An infamous keylogger attack uses a type of malware called dark hotel. Hackers target unsecured Wi-Fi at hotels and prompt users to download the software. Once downloaded, dark hotel acts as a keylogger and reports keystrokes to the hackers. After a certain number of recorded keystrokes, dark hotel deletes itself from the device. That way, it doesn't remain on a device for too long and can avoid detection. It's important to protect yourself from keylogger attacks used by malicious users, because keyloggers can record and quickly identify sensitive information. They are a significant threat to cybersecurity. To protect yourself, it's important to know what keyloggers are, how to prevent an attack, and how to remove a keylogger if you are attacked. Danger of keystroke loggers. Unlike other forms of malware, keylogging malware doesn't damage your computer or operating system. The main danger of keyloggers is that malicious users can identify and exploit your personal information. Some of the risks of a keylogger attack. Hackers can steal credit card information and make unauthorized purchases. Malicious users can log into your email accounts and steal information or scam your contacts. Hackers can log into your bank accounts and transfer money out. Malicious users can access your company's network and steal confidential information. Some keylogger can be very difficult to detect. Keylogger types. Hardware keyloggers. These are physical devices that are attached to the computer. They intercept the data sent from the keyboard to the computer. Wireless keyloggers. These keyloggers transmit data to a remote location using wireless protocols. Keyboard hardware keyloggers. These are devices that are plugged between the keyboard and the computer. Acoustic keyloggers. These devices analyze the sound made by each keystroke to determine what keys are being pressed. Software keyloggers. These are programs that run on the targeted computer system. They monitor and record keystrokes. Kernel-based keyloggers. These keyloggers are installed as device drivers at the kernel level of an operating system, allowing them to access data directly. API-based keyloggers. These keyloggers use APIs, application programming interfaces, provided by the operating system to monitor data. Memory-injecting keyloggers. These keyloggers inject malicious code into the memory processes of a computer system. Form-grabbing keyloggers. These keyloggers capture form data, such as login information, just at the point when the user submits it. Web-based keyloggers. These are malicious scripts or software that are often hidden in web pages, and they track and record keystrokes made within the web browser. For examples, Ghost Keylogger. This was one of the earliest commercial keyloggers that allowed users to monitor everything happening on their computer. Perfect Keylogger. In 2002 it became notorious due to its sophisticated stealth features, allowing it to remain undetected by antivirus software. Sony Rootkit. In 2005, while technically a rootkit, it included keylogging functionalities. Sony surreptitiously installed it on users' PCs via music CDs to prevent copying. Artimax Keylogger. In 2006, this software was designed for parental control and employee monitoring, but was also used maliciously. Zeus. In 2007, a highly sophisticated keylogger that targeted banking information. It was responsible for numerous large-scale data breaches. Finfisher. In 2011, Finfisher is a government-grade surveillance tool that includes keylogging functionality. It was sold to law enforcement and intelligence agencies worldwide. Project Sauron. In 2015, an advanced threat that targeted specific organizations and included keylogging among its functionalities. Hawkeye Reborn in 2019. This keylogger was used in numerous phishing campaigns to steal sensitive information, such as usernames and passwords. If you want security tools that specifically target keyloggers, check these two free options out. GhostPress, a free anti-keylogger with an extremely small performance footprint. Features process protection to stop any other program terminating GhostPress. KL Detector, a basic keylogger detection tool. Once you detect a keylogger, it's up to you to remove it, but the tool will alert you to the keylogger's presence.